Caddo Lake high school fishing tournament this morning. We're gonna see if these boys can put a hurting on them. We caught a few last weekend. We're gonna see if they can catch some today, get in line, maybe weigh a fish or two. Most important thing is we're gonna stay safe and try to stay warm because it is cold.
Oh my God!
Tell me again.
I've never caught a fish this big. There's no way.
Don't we get that live well going?
The GoPro wasn't running, but Jacob just caught that one off of these trees. So he's over 18, so we're gonna put him in the live well.
Jacob.
Nice, Martin. Let's go. Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. Attaboy.
It's gonna be a slot fish, but
How can you already tell?
Mark, let's check him. Oof, that's slot fish.
It's close.
It's close.
So they have to be over that little black.
Yeah, so he's got to at least be touching 12. And then
So it can either pull here.
here and
But if it
here.
goes over this, it has to be all the way
It
over
has
here.
to be over here. If it touches here, he has to be over here.
Okay.
So let's get the pig with him.
All right.
We got him on video though. Jacob,
Sir?
throw that wacky on the other side of that. Y'all double team that tree. Cause he's stuck to that tree.
Get it past it. Don't try it. Like get it further than the tree and then reel it back. Got him.
Got him, got him.
Yeah, yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, God.
Give him slack. Don't keep reeling on it. Don't keep reeling on it. Don't keep reeling on it. No. Don't. Did it break? The line break?
No.
Okay. That was a big fish, wasn't it?
That was 5 or 6. Like,
Okay. So.
big fish.
Good Lord. Hey, did I call it or did I call it? I said that fish was on that tree.
When he said it was big,
Bring
and
it here.
Was. Like the stomach, it was long, but the stomach too.
No, it was so.
Yeah, that
Like-
dude, that was a
Like he got up under the boat and was about to pull me over.
5-pounder. Easy.
That would have broken this record for me.
Yeah. Okay. You didn't even hear me saying don't. You didn't hear.
I
You didn't hear nothing, did you?
anything.
That's okay.
I mean, I could hear you saying something, but I couldn't comprehend what you were saying. I was too busy worried about that
Woo.
fish on the other side.
That's
I mean, do you think it went back to that tree or it's
no.
gone?
It's gone.
It's gone.
It's gone. Hey, you might not have the fish in the live well, but you've got the memory.
Not big. Might be below.
Good teamwork.
Thank you.
little bit over.
Well, shucks.
We get enough picture with it. Good deal. Good fish.
Martin McDowell, Jacob Chrysler, Calvary there, weighing in one fish. Who got this one? Okay, tell me a little bit about how'd you catch this one?
Threw it at a tree with a wacky worm. It bit it.
And it bit it. That you plain and simple there. Plain and simple. Good job.